Now, when I say developer link, I mean the link that sometimes is put in the footer of a website that links from your website to your web developer's website. So if you have a link like that, I found a site here. They're not one of my clients. I don't know who they are. But I can see in the footer it says powered by Apex Digital. And if I click on it, then it actually takes me to a website, which is the marketing people for the website. So what we want to do is make sure that that link is what's called a no-follow link. And if it's a no-follow link, then it helps you and your developer. It'd be good for both of you. If it is what's called a follow link, then this will actually pass juice from your website to the web developer's website. And you don't want to be doing that on every single page of your website. And in fact, it's not actually good for the web developers either, because then they get hundreds of links to their website from an irrelevant industry. Because if this site here is a patio builder, and if you get hundreds of links from a patio builder's site to a web developer's site, that's not relevant. So what you want to do if you do find a link to your developer's site is, your choice. You don't have to have it. You can always remove it. It doesn't have to be there. But if you do want to keep it there, then what you need to do is check to see if it's a follow or no follow link. So the first thing you do is right click and tap view page source. So you go over to the website, you find some sort of space over here, right click on that, and it will have here view page source. And so when you click on view page source, it will take you to something that looks like this. And then what you want to do is do Control F on a PC or Command F on a Mac, so that it brings up this little box up here. And then you can put in Apex Digital, because you want to find the spot in the code that has this section. So you can see it highlights it in orange here, and we can see that it's here powered by, and then it's got the link to their website. Target equals blank just means it will open it up in a new tab. And then strong just means that it's bold. But nowhere in there does it say what we need it to say, which is rel equals no follow. So I'll show that over here. So what we need it to say is rel equals no follow somewhere in that code, and it's not saying that. So this is the code that it's currently got there, and then how it would need to be changed so that instead it had like this, and then it has rel equals no follow, and then it went on with the rest of it. So if your web developer's link doesn't say rel equals no follow, then it is by default a follow link, and you are passing juice to them, but it's also not helping them because it's a footer link. Because see, usually with a follow link, it's just one link within a page, right? But with this, the web developer is getting hundreds of links to their website from your footer. Well, that's if you've got hundreds of pages on your site. If you only had 10 pages on your site, then it's only going to give 10 links to the web developer's site. So however many pages you have on your site is however many links is going to go to their site. And in Google's eyes, it's an irrelevant industry that's linking to their site. So it's not actually helping anybody. So all you need to do is either ask your web developer to remove this link, ask them to make it a no follow link, or obviously you might be able to change it yourself.